I need a new vest and helmet.
Yeah, I need a new helmet too. These guys are gonna be in the open.
Yeah. Yep.
It's phase 4, so they're gonna want to be moving in.
They're coming now. They're on the rocks. Coming from 205.
I don't see them.
Oh, they're
One is
fucking
further
deep. They're so deep.
Yeah, they're way back
There's
there.
no way there's no way they're surviving.
I mean, you can outrun this.
Not from where the fuck they were.
Oh, they're way back there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're on the hill.
Oh, I see one now. Yeah, they got fucking guns put away. They're still fighting back there. I see him going up the hill. Bucket, yeah. They're rapping, like, rapping.
Like all the way up the hill, like east.
Yeah, like, they're
rap?
all the way up the hill, like, southeast.
Okay.
Like, he ran
Okay.
up that hill.
Fuck,
Yeah, see,
Salty's
they're
over
dead.
there.
They're dead. They're dead.
Oh yeah,
They're
it is.
done.
Yeah. Yep.
4v3.
God.
We got this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think those shots were like back here. There's a
DJ.
drop north 10, close.
I think it's the DJ Rice and their team.
Emma, come up to me at this hill.
Coming.
In case there's some fucking nerd up here.
I just want the helmet, Chloe.
Okay. On the hill.
Yep,
Up
they're
there.
up here. Yep.
Yeah, see him, Chloe? Oh,
I
down
can.
there. Yeah, I saw him. He's over by the bush.
On my mark.
Knocked one.
One's running from the rock. Flat rock 310 from us. Marked.
Careful, Wallace.
Good job.
4v1. You over there?
Yeah, that was insta.
Okay. This guy's
I think
fellow
the last
somewhere.
guy should probably be Ted Mock, probably. Or behind us. Maybe coming out of the zone.
Maybe. I feel like he's just laying down somewhere. I mean, I'll be good bait. I'm just not gonna use a scope and try to.
Anybody check this house over here when we cross over?
159.
Which
Um,
house?
I didn't.
These too longs, either one of these. He could have been in there the whole time.
Bro, you want a pan fight? Hello? Hello?
Oh look, level 3 vest was in here. There's 2 level 3 vests in here. What the fuck?
Hello?
Oh, come on, Chloe.
He was up there? What the fuck?
Yeah, he's up here, prone.
I wanted to no scope him.
Wow, 2 kills. Good game. Hell yeah.
Yeah,
Good
whole
job.
2 kills. Wonderful.
GG's.
3, I'm owning.
Jeez.
Hell yeah. Alright, y'all getting off, right?
I think everybody but me.
Yeah, I'm gonna make food, Chloe, and then I'll be back on. If they're getting off.
Okay.
You wanna do some duos quickly? I think I'm gonna go to bed like in 20 minutes or something.
Give me 1 second.
Alright, Salty GG's, dude.
Hey, GG's.
GG's.
Okay, Dolphin has 3, so yeah, if you want to do it, we can.
You can go there. Fine. I'm just gonna do a random then. Good.
Okay, GG's, dude.
Jeez.
Up, Undertaker. For the most part, yeah. They're not bad.
Find a new helmet or something.
And low.